go. Here comes my driver right now. What's happening? Micah, right?
Yes.
You got my food there?
Yep.
Is that hot or cold food?
It's cold food.
So it doesn't require an insulation bag?
No.
No? Look at you looking like what? What? Do you carry an insulation bag? Just asking.
I do, yes.
You do, but you know that's kind of cold, so it really doesn't require it, and you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
I could care less if that was in an insulation bag, because this is ahi pokey. So you usually carry an insulation bag?
Yeah,
you
I have it in my car.
You know, because people appreciate that. Because me, you know, I order the food.
Right.
You know, I expect my food to be hot. The other day I got Chipotle, and the guy delivered, he didn't have an insulation bag, and my food was cold. I was pretty upset. Would that make you upset?
Yeah.
So let me ask you another question. So you usually drive around Roseville, Granite Bay, right?
Right, yeah.
Roseville, Granite Bay. And how many hours approximately do you work?
I do this full time, so I
Do
get
you?
close to 40 a week.
Close to 40 a week. And what is like your average payout for the week?
For the week, I've been getting about $550.
$550. So it's been nice to you, huh?
Yeah.
About how many miles do you put on your car every week?
I keep forgetting to keep track.
Boy, do you know how important this is?
I do, I know.
Are you kidding me? Do you have a mileage app?
No.
You need to get Stride, man. Dude, do you know when income tax comes, you're going to be like, what?
I know, I kick myself every time.
Well, don't kick yourself. You need to like download the app right now on your phone, Stride, and start using that mug today. No, I'm serious. Boss. No, dude. I'm serious, man. Stop doing that to yourself. You keep all your receipts for your car? Like oil changes, tires, you know, car washes. You keep those receipts? If you don't, you're gonna. Is this your first year dashing? Dude, do you want to pay freaking Uncle Sam?
I mean...
No, you don't. You need to keep your receipts for everything as little as a car wash. If you buy a meal while you're out here working, keep the receipts. Write it off, man. I'm not yelling at you to be like, man, I'm trying to educate you, bruh. You are missing out. Dude, subscribe to my YouTube channel. STEPH delivers. I'm so serious.
Okay.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Scroll through the videos about taxes and about, you know, using mileage apps. Dude, because this is very beneficial. You're going to be jacking yourself up, dude. Gas receipts. You save your gas receipts?
I usually don't get a receipt.
You're killing me right now. You know, you're killing you. You're not killing me. So look, subscribe to my channel. STEPH delivers. All right? I'm serious. Watch my videos. Learn some things. I appreciate you delivering my food. Do you ever wear your t-shirt? Not that you have to. I'm just asking. Occasionally. That's cool. You're looking pretty professional. I appreciate how you look. You know, you're looking good. You're looking good. You know, I'm serious. It matters. These things matter. Yeah. All right. That's me and Micah. Thank y'all for watching. Talk to you later. Bye, Micah. Take care, man.